Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today is April the 30th. It's the last day of the month of April. Okay, we'll be heading into another month tomorrow. But we are on day number 21 in the My Legion Secret Clickbank Challenge. All right. We kind of started off kind of a weird time in the month. Okay. It was just kind of a sporadic type of thing that we would start this challenge. I wish I could have started maybe on the first of the month. That way we can kind of go through these days as they're mapped out on the calendar. But no biggie. Just wanted to show you guys. I'm back with another video again on how to earn income with My Legion Secret system and ClickBank. Okay, and what we're doing is we're grabbing both of these services. We're going to put them together, and we're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income with this method. All right. So today we've made it to day number 21 of the challenge. Now, if you go back to day number 1 of this challenge, you can kind of get up to speed on the first 20 days and see how we did on the first 20 days and see if we somehow got traffic, got results, and then eventually in the end get results. Get earned commissions. Okay. So if you guys have not been watching these videos, go back and watch the first video, okay, of this challenge so you can get up to speed. If not, we're picking up at day number 21, and I'm going to basically show you guys how to send out an email in the system. And then also the results from last night's email that we sent out. All right. So as you can see ahead of me, guys, or and right in front of us here is a screenshot of yesterday's video and results. We did get earn a commission there. We did get a sale yesterday. Okay. But those are yesterday's results. All right. Today we're on number 21. And if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is a email service that's going to provide 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So, Miley Gen Secret has been around for some time. I've been with Miley Gen Secret over a few years now. They're legit. They're here to stay. I totally love the service. Okay. So, I promoted so many different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that, this traffic does work. All right. But the thing about this traffic is this is cold traffic. All right. These people are looking for ways to earn income online. All right. So any email that you send out, it's going to be in your best interest to have a offer that's related to making money online. Okay. Now, anything else, I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything with it. I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to make anything at all, even just from a make money online, because I don't know if you're going to go out and grab an offer, yeah, and sign up for the My Legion Secret and send out emails every day like I do. I'm not sure if you're going to do that. Okay. But what I can guarantee you is that if you get started today, I did leave a link below this video, guys, for you guys to get started. If you go below these videos, you can click on more here. I did leave a link for the My Legion Secret System. If you guys want to get started, all right. There's a one-time charge of $60, $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer, guys, for you guys to gain traffic every single day, and then have an opportunity to get in front of those people with the right offer and then earn money. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email in the My Legion Secret System. Is very, very easy. If you can copy and paste, if you know how to send emails in Gmail, Bing, or work emails or whatever you're doing, okay, Outlook or whatever, okay, you guys, if you can do that, then you can do this. Okay. It's very easy to do. Okay. Now, if you sign up below at the link below, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay, it's going to say the My Legion Secret. This is what the back office looks like with these tabs going across. Now, you're not going to use all of these tabs. This is the home screen, kind of give you an overview. The only thing that's going to be different between my account and your account is the emails that you send out. Okay. But other than that, it's going to look the same. Okay. And then this is your affiliate link. If you want to grab multiple accounts, what you would do is you would sign up first for your first account. And then any account after that, you're going to be using your own affiliate ID to sign up with. So if I wanted to sign up for another account, right now I got 8 accounts. If I wanted to sign up for my ninth account, what I would do is grab my own affiliate link, sign out of this account, put that into the browser, and then sign up under my own link. Okay. That way I get the kickback on the commission. All right. It's very easy to do, guys. So all you would do is grab this link, sign out, paste it in the browser, and then sign up with a different email address. Okay. You can use the same credit card, but use a different email address. Now, I would recommend at least 3 to 5 accounts. Five is going to be the sweet spot. Okay. For you to start seeing results in a short amount of time. Anything under that, it may take you just a little bit longer. Okay. You'll get those results, but it's going to take you longer. And if you get too many accounts, okay, not sure what your budget is, and you may get discouraged and see you're not getting results in enough time and fall off the service. Okay, so we don't want you doing that. So five is going to be that sweet spot, or 3 to 5 is going to be that sweet spot where you can start seeing results in a shorter amount of time. All right. So this is the home screen. The My Lead screen is going to be additional emails that, well, no, I'm sorry. My leads are going to be the leads that are coming in every day. Okay. So this account that I have, I had received, today's the 30th. I received an extra 200 leads today. The difference between 100 and 200 is how many accounts that you have, right? Since I got multiple accounts, I'm maxed out getting 200 emails per day, which is very, very good. All right. So master email swipes. These are going to be the email swipes that you can pay for. They're written by a seven-figure marketer, email marketer. So if you go ahead and purchase these an extra $30 for some high converting emails. You're more than welcome to go in there and purchase those. But for the sake of this video, we're going to use the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay, so we actually don't need these emails because we have the free emails that we're going to use, and it has the affiliate links that goes to that email. So we really don't need the master email swipes. So we're going to come over here to the mailing system. This is where you're going to be at. Okay. Majority 9 times out of 10, this is where you're going to be hanging out at, is at the mailing system. This is where we send our emails. Okay. So what you would want to do is you want to come down here and you want to select the last emails that you have accumulated. So right now I got over 200,000. Your account is not going to look like this because I've been with My Legion Seeker for some time. Okay. So your account may say 100 to 200 if you're first getting started, or if you've been with them for a week, it may say a couple hundred or 1,000. Okay. So you would select those emails. Once they load up here, that's where we can send out one email, and then it's going to go to all the people that we got sitting over here on this right side, right? It's loading up in the portal. Okay, this is the subject line, the same thing you see for a Gmail account or whatever account that you're using. You got a subject line and you got a body and you got a send button. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Clickbank. If you guys don't know what Clickbank is, I mean, Clickbank has been around for ages, for a long time now. Okay, this is a network marketing platform that we can go for people like you and me that are looking to earn extra income online. We can go and we can grab different offers and we can promote those offers and earn a commission for it. We're just the middleman for what somebody wants, and then the vendor, whoever created the product. Okay, so all we got to do is match the product with the certain type of customers criteria. Okay, very easy. Okay, so create your account. It's free to get started. It doesn't cost you anything to get started. Okay, so all you would need to do is log in. You're going to go over to the marketplace. The only niche that we're going to be working with in this challenge, we're shooting 1 year of one offer. Okay, we're not going to jump around. If you guys go back to the beginning of this channel, I did do different challenges that showed you different offers do work. Okay, but this offer, we're just going to promote one offer and we're going to stick with it for 1 year, and we're going to see if we can earn a full-time income. So basically, if you guys are following along and you want to get started, you can kind of see the progress and see if you got started where you would be if you did it. All right. And if you wanted to earn extra income for your family, and pay those extra bills, gas, you may have rent or a mortgage payment or a car payment, whatever it is. This is the type of income that you're going to be able to make, the extra income that you can make to use to pay those extra bills. All right. This is not some get rich quick scheme. Okay, guys. So if you're thinking that this is some push button software is going to start pumping out thousands and thousands of dollars every day, okay, this video is not for you. Okay, this is somebody who's looking for extra income, maybe to pay some of those small bills, and then somebody that wants to take this serious and do it full time. You can earn a full time income anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000, or anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000, depend on how many accounts that you have and how much you're sending out emails every day. Okay, there's people out there that are doing this method that are making a lot more than I am, and there's the people out there that are making a lot less than I am. Okay, so it's this money, there's just room for everyone that wants to get in, that's motivated, that wants to get in and earn that extra income. Okay, so This is the section here. We're not going to promote any other different niche. There's tons of offers: health and fitness, spirituality, self-help, home and garden, cooking. I mean, there's so many different niches to go into, but the one we're going to go into is e-business, e-marketing. Okay, this is the make money online niche. All right, now for the sake of this video, you don't have to promote live chat jobs. This is just what I'm doing right now. You don't have to do that. You can go down here and promote a different offer if you want, and they have free email swipes that you can use. Okay, so you don't have to follow what I'm doing if you don't want to, do that offer. This is just the offer I'm doing, and the only reason why I'm doing this offer is because it has a pretty sweet rebill. Okay, so we do the work one time, and then we get paid over and over and over again until our prospect decides they don't want to be a part of it. All right. So what we're after is these unlimited $20 rebills every single month. That way we can stack these rebills on top of each other, and then we can earn a full-time income from it. Okay. So we're promoting live chat jobs for this challenge. So what we would do is we were going to go to the affiliate tab, and then we've completed day number 20. There's only 20 email swipes in this offer here. So as you can see, there's only 20 of them. We completed all 20. All right. So what I would do is go back to day number 1. Okay. And then we're just going to grab the subject line. Very easy to do. Now, if you have these emails loaded up in the system already, they're already going to be in there for you. So you really don't have to go back through here and copy and paste again. But I'm just showing you guys how to do it if you wanted to do it. And where it says saved emails, you're going to click this drop down menu, and then it's going to be under the saved emails, and you're going to be able to start over from the first day. Click chat for cash and click load. And what that's going to do is going to pre-populate the email already, so you don't have to copy and paste. But for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you guys, I'm just holding your hand and walking you through it. Okay. So you take the subject line, chat for cash, you copy that. You come back over here to the mailing system. You want to grab the body, and you want to grab that body and click Control C. Come back over here to the system, and then we want to Control V. All right. Click on perfect timing. That's very important. Click on perfect timing, Control V, take out the signature. Where it says signature, you want to put in either your name or management, whichever one you like to use. And then we want to come back up here where it says first name. We want to grab this embedded code. We want to come down to the email, and we want to put the code in right here where it says name. All right. And the reason we do that is because we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. So whenever this email goes out, it says, "Hey Jermaine, hey John, hey Joseph, whatever your name is." Okay. And then it goes into the email, right? It's specific. And this is a very high converting email, right? So when someone sees this email that's looking for a job, they're more than likely to click on it. It intrigues them to go to the next step. So the way to get them to the next step is to add this clickable link here, guys. So we're going to click on this link tab. Click here. Swipe this right here where it says complete your application here. We want to turn this into a clickable link. So you want to go here to the link tab, come back to the emails. At the bottom of every email, there's going to be a associated link, affiliate link that goes with it. These are going to be the links that we're going to use to go with the email. Okay. So we want to come here. What's very important where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID, you want to erase that, and you want to put in your affiliate ID, whatever that may be. Okay. Don't put in my name. Okay. Put in your name and your affiliate ID, whatever you come up with. All right. So something unique that you have for your Clickbank account when you create it is a username. All right. So you want to put that username where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID. All right. So you just want to click on OK. What happens here? Look, that turns that into a clickable link. Okay. So when this email goes out, and I like to make the words bigger so that way no one's squinting their eyes or having trouble seeing my email. So I like to make it a little bit bigger. And then I like to proofread here where it says huge demand worldwide. I like to say in your area. Okay. In your area, make it more personable to our prospect. So when look at that, it looks very good. It addresses our prospect by their first name. At the end, it has our name or management. And then also it has a call of action here, which is complete your application here, which is a clickable link. Okay. So down here at the bottom right now, I've already sent out my email today, so you're not going to be able to see it, but there's going to be 2 tabs. One says send now and one that says preview. What you're going to want to do first before you select send now is click on preview. Okay, click on preview, and you want to click on your clickable link, and you want to make sure that it goes to your affiliate page. That's very important before you send out that email. Last thing you want is to send out an email, do all this work, okay, and then nobody sees your well, everybody's going to see your email, but nobody's going to, click on your affiliate link, and the link that they click on is going to go right back to Clickbank, and they're going to earn the commission. Okay. So the whole point here is to make sure this email works and it has your information in it. All right. So you click on that link, make sure it has your affiliate ID in the URL. And then once you see everything looks good, then come back here and click on send. That's it, guys. That email went out to every prospect that signed up on your list, okay, that you've accumulated every day from having My Legion Secret System. Very easy to do, guys. Let's go ahead and hop on over here to ClickBank. Let's go ahead and check out the results today and see if we got any traffic. All right. So as you guys may know, we did get traffic yesterday. Okay, this is yesterday's results. The 29th, we did earn a commission there. And then we also got a free trial sign up as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. Today is April 30th, last day of the month. There's 30 days in April. Okay, we got some really good traffic here, guys. We got social sales rep is what we're promoting. We got 1,300 hops, which is really good. We're climbing on those hops, guys. That's things are starting to look go up and up. Like I was telling you before, you stick with this thing and you send out emails every day. Eventually, you're just going to get lots and lots of clicks. Okay. And that's what we want. Okay. We got 784 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses. Okay. These are brand new people that seen our email and that clicked on our email. Okay. Or that clicked on our link. Okay. To take them to our affiliate page, which is really good. Okay. We got 2 initial order form impressions and then 2 unique order form impressions. These are unique because these are people that went to the checkout page. Okay. They're at that buy screen where it says, hey, enter your credit card so you can go to the next screen. These are 2 people that went to that screen. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Now, even though we didn't get an initial sale or no type of commission today, okay, um, the cool thing is that somebody's actually looking. Okay, what I've noticed is that these people that are coming in on this initial order form impression, once they sign up, they're going to be getting emails from the vendor, okay, to sign up. Okay. So it takes someone at least 7 times, 7 to 10 times seeing an offer in order for these people to sign up. This is what I mean by saying that this list has to get warmed up through our emails. Okay. So even though they didn't sign up, these 2 people can probably come back tomorrow and sign up. Okay. Or the next day or the next day or the next day. Or it could be somebody from last week that's been super busy and they're just now looking for another opportunity to earn income, and then they want to get on board and start working with the live chat jobs. All right. Now, these are the results today, guys. We did get some really good traffic. We got a couple of order form impressions. Or unfortunately, we didn't get any initial sales today, but no biggie, guys, because I'm going to give this thing time. We're on day number 21. Okay. There's only 21 days that we've been doing this. We've seen some success and we've seen some gaps. Okay. So the whole point is here is to bridge those gaps. Okay. Get those commissions closer and closer till we're getting initial sales every day. And those rebills are not going to come till after the 30th, of this series. Okay. We're only on day 21, right? So, those days after 30, you're going to start seeing those rebills from the month before, okay, start coming in on top of the new sales that we're going to get. You'll see, guys. So stick with me and you'll see. All right. So I'm gonna end this video on that note. I showed you how to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. Very easy to do. I showed you the results that we got today. We didn't get a sale. We didn't get any commissions today or anything like that, but we do have a commission coming here in a couple of days from the email that we sent out. Okay, from the sale that we got yesterday, that person is going to get rebilled here in a couple of days, and we'll get that sale here in a couple of days. But we're looking for initial sale any day now. Okay, and I'm gonna send out emails every day until that happens. All right. So I'm gonna end this video on that note. I will see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.